I'm Jeff from Sussex Installations. Today's video is about a new service which we're trying at the moment, which is a colour coding service. So people have mentioned it quite a few times over the years. Can we match the colour of the shield to the colour of the van? And the answer sort of up until now has always been, well, no. We've kind of always felt, well, yeah, we quite like to. And for the last sort of few years, I was thinking, actually, yeah, I would like to do it, but I was sort of struggling for room on site to do it. But last year we went ahead, we bit the bullet, and we did make a big investment in a bespoke spray booth here on site at Sussex Installations with the view to doing this for you guys. So this is the first one. This is the fruits of my labour. This is after the months last year of building the booth, after the months of the preparations and having some consultants in to help us like get the right process for this in place. We have a brand new shape Ford Custom in blue metallic paint, or diamond blue, seems to be various names for this colour. And we also have a shield which is freshly painted from yesterday, and I've just polished it this morning to make it nice and shiny, and this is about to go on this van. So stay tuned, check it out, let me know what you think. So I've got Justin here with me. So Justin, you're a returning customer to us here at Sussex Installations, and we appreciate you coming back, but you're our first customer to use our colour coded service today.
Yeah. It's absolutely wicked. I'm really impressed by it. I didn't really want a silver panel on the side of the van, so it looks really impressive. It works really, really good. It
might not be an absolute perfect variant. We just paint to the actual most popular colour that the van was painted in. And we'll be sending these out through the post through our website if you're looking to order one. We obviously are doing installation as well with the shield if you're going to come to Sussex Installations, or if you're booking mobile installation. It'd be interesting to see how many of our shields now, like what the percentage will be over the coming years. How many we'll be doing in the matte black powder coated finish, how many we'll be doing in the brushed stainless finish, and how many would be doing colour coded to the vehicles.
Yeah, no, it was really nice. It's a really nice touch. You know, you spend all that money on the vehicle, and that looks absolutely so professional.
Thank you very much for
no
making the journey again to come down to us.
Thanks very much. Most appreciated.
So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe to the channel. Please do give us a like for the video, and we can keep you up to date with the latest in-van security as things change. Go to our website, it's www.sussexinstallations.co.uk, and this is where the magic happens. Thanks for watching.